Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix EA Play Pro Edition on this computer using the EA account. Let me explain why this usually happens first before I get into how to fix this. Usually EA Play Pro has a 5 device activation limit. So if you have installed, let's say, FC on too many PCs, the older activations may basically block the new ones. Okay, so you basically need to first just go to this URL, myaccount.ea.com/am/ui/subscription membership. And here you just make sure, right, once you're logged in, you check your subscriptions, make sure that EA Play Pro is actually active on the account you're using. And if you have multiple EA accounts, just double check that you're logging into the correct one. And in the EA app as well, what you can do is you can go to your settings, go to my account and manage devices and remove the unused PCs. And you should go ahead and right click on EA as well and run this as an administrator. Okay. And the last thing I suggest you do is to actually go ahead and just disable any VPNs or proxies you're using. Okay, because that also can cause issues. But otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.